We are back for one more day. I thank you and the entire meditators community around the world. Each day together has allowed us to expand our essential connection to ourselves and to the power of Source. Today, we join our hearts and minds to offer a united energy to the world, in wisdom, in acceptance, and in trust. Let us set a global intention and release it to the universe. With this meditation, we continue to shift our collective consciousness, embracing our divine essence, our connection to each other, and a shared destiny of kindness and grace. So, let's get comfortable one more time and unite our hearts and spirits together as we listen to Deepak guide us through this beautiful visualization of peace and unity for our world.
Welcome back. This day is a gift for you, our global community. It certainly is a gift to us to have been able to take such an amazing journey with you and to have one more day together through which we can share our joy with the world. Our meditation today focuses on peace, harmony, laughter, love, and well-being. The simple yet precious gifts of abundance that we can enjoy with and intend for our families, friends, neighbors, and everyone around the globe. Please begin by taking a comfortable seat and closing your eyes. Bring your attention to your heart center. Repeat these intentional words as today's centering thought. Love and abundance for all. Love and abundance for all. Envision a beautiful white light emanating from your heart, this place of pure love, peace, and joy. Take a moment to be with this warm, expansive, healing light. Feel it expand within each and every cell of your body, as if nectar from the heavens is traveling through your being, filling you with the most blissful sense of peace and well-being. Picture at the center of your now light-filled being within your heart one of the special gifts that you have been placed on earth to offer the world. It is dazzling in its brilliance, radiant with possibility. Now imagine you're a part of a vast circle that includes everyone else on the planet, and everyone in that circle is also connecting with his or her inherent light as they visualize the divine treasure they have to share. You gaze upon the light of each and every person as far as your eye can see. As you look a little deeper, you see and sense the bountiful gifts that are in the hearts of all the people, gleaming and golden, just waiting to realize their destiny, to be expressed and received lovingly, to elevate the vibration of peace and well-being for all. You now hold your unique gift, your beautiful light, in your hands. Feeling the warmth, you tenderly turn to your right and gently offer it to the person beside you. You feel completely received as your gift is accepted with honor, grace, and gratitude. With reverence, you turn to your left and openly accept into your heart the gift that your neighbor is generously giving you. Whatever that gift may be, a smile, a joke, or a warm embrace, you accept it and receive it in your heart with deep gratitude. As you drink in the light and love, you turn back to the person on your right and share this blessing with that person. Basking in the beauty and flow of the gifts being expressed, shared and received, one after another, you know that the circle is indivisible and the abundance is endless. Delight in the knowing that the gift you have shared is divine, infinite, and eternal. Brimming with this joyful expansion, clasp the hands of those next to you and enjoy the warm glow of peace and love that comes from freely sharing what we are on earth to offer. Know that when we remove judgment, replacing it with heartfelt appreciation and generosity, we become one with the power of pure spirit, making all things possible. Send these feelings of peace, love, equanimity, and joy to those in your life and those around the world who may be experiencing turmoil and pain. Visualize the good feelings that you hold in your abundant heart, swaddling in a warm, soft blanket those who most need your gifts of peace and love, uniting everyone together as one. See each and every heart and soul on our beautiful planet receiving peace, healing, and abundance. As you continue with your eyes closed, gently introduce the mantra, repeating it silently to yourself. Yum, yum, yum. This is the mantra that opens the heart chakra, inviting peace, harmony, laughter, and love to reawaken in the heart of everyone around the world. Yum, yum, yum. Remember that when you are distracted by thoughts, noises, or sensations in your body, go back to mentally repeating the mantra. Yum, yum, yum. I'll mind the time and ring a soft bell to let you know when it's time to release the mantra. Please release the mantra and bring your awareness back into your body. Take a moment to pay attention to the breath. When you feel ready, open your eyes. Thank you for sharing your abundant gifts with us and with everyone around the world. Know that while our circle is now open, it lives on in our intention, reaching each person on our planet and filling him or her with love and light. This wonderful journey has enriched all our lives, and I'm deeply grateful to have shared it with you. I hold this heartfelt intention for you and our sisters and brothers around the globe. Love and abundance for all. Love and abundance for all. Love and abundance for all. Namaste.